Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus SH Figuarts. We'll explore the distinct characteristics of these popular action figure lines, helping you understand their core differences. We'll delve into their articulation, sculpt quality, and included accessories, providing insights into what each line excels at. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which figure series best aligns with your collecting interests and display preferences. Let's dive in and see which one might be the better fit for your collection. Figma figures are renowned for their exceptional articulation, offering smooth and extensive posability across a wide array of characters. Typically standing around 6 inches tall, they boast incredibly detailed sculpts and precise paint applications that faithfully capture character likenesses. Each figure often includes multiple interchangeable faces, hands, and character-specific accessories, allowing for a vast number of dynamic display options and scene recreations. This focus on versatility makes them a favorite among collectors. SH Figuarts, also generally around 6 inches in height, stands out with its incredibly diverse character roster, particularly strong in anime, manga, and tokusatsu properties. These figures are celebrated for their robust construction and durable joints, designed to withstand frequent posing without compromising stability. Many SH Figuarts releases come packed with unique effect parts and signature weapons, enabling collectors to recreate iconic action sequences with impressive flair and dynamic energy. Their extensive range is a major draw. Deciding between Figma and SH Figuarts ultimately depends on your personal collecting priorities. If you value a balance of intricate sculpts, smooth articulation, and a wide variety of anime and video game characters, Figma might be your preferred choice. However, if you seek an expansive selection of characters, especially from popular Shonen Jump series or Kamen Rider, coupled with sturdy build quality, SH Figuarts could be the better option. Consider your favorite franchises and desired display versatility to make your decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.